Hey y'all, how's it going? Uh, I get a charge out of you. Uh, Today we're talking about chargers, like for camping or camping. Also, they're constantly turning our power off here to replace poles or lines or do maintenance. Or if the winds get too bad, they could actually turn off the power for a couple of days. Because they don't want to start another fire instead of upgrading their equipment. Anyway, that's another story. Don't get me started. So, we're always needing power. We're glued to our electronic devices, mainly my phone and my tablets and my lovely assistants also, of course. We found a bargain on this guy. I was so excited to get it at the price I did. Jackery is the name brand, and there's others out there. It sucks. Actually, it died after 6 months, a year, or something like that. It just won't take a charge anymore. So that was a waste of money. So this is my old-timey thing I've carried while we were traveling. Actually, at airports or on a plane, you need a power bank. Apparently, the name of this is Power Bank. 20,000, and it has done us well. Perfect for travels. But I came across this guy. Who are you? Can we read it? It's not quite, it's half the power of the other one. You see the size difference, and this is a nice handy travel size. I'll probably carry in my man purse / go bag instead of this. Doesn't last as long, but it's lighter, smaller, and it's faster. And usually when I'm hammock camping, this is what I'll use. I'll plug my phone into it at night, and everything works great. Now, I can't resist a bargain. And they ran this one on Amazon with like a 50% discount. It's a same size battery as this one, but as you can see, it's solar. And it came with this handy little clip. So I can clip it off my saddlebag or my hammock or tent. Or I like this one, even though it's kind of big. I loaned it to friends on a camping trip a while back, and it charged their stuff super fast. It also drained the battery in no time because they were charging like a couple of phones at once. It took 30 minutes, an hour to charge both phones, but it died, and I never could get it filled up, recharged enough by the solar to be any good to me. So it's convenient, it's fast charging, it takes forever to recharge, apparently, if you drain it. I've used it to charge like one phone, one tablet from 50% to full, and then left it charging all day, and it's fine. So it's got its uses. Finally, we have this big boy, which is a 2,500 capacity, and this is kind of my favorite, even though I don't use it as much because it's a wonderful Wizard of Oz. Look at that, 4 solar panels. So it charges faster, it lasts as long as these two combined, or these two combined, anyway, you get the idea. Huge capacity, and it was on sale on Amazon also. And it's got a flashlight built in. Trying to find a name. ROHS maybe? That's probably some. Anyway, there's the model number. It's great to find these things on sale. Nice little LED flashlight on this one. This one's got a little flashlight right there and a USB port here. USB and micro USB here. And this one ain't got nothing except dirt from sitting on my thing. This one's, no, that one doesn't have a light. So, that's it. Charging. Good. These are all good. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm done playing. These are all good. Depends on your thing. When I'm camping for more than a day, especially if there's two of us, it's good to have all these. And I still somewhere got the little tiny cubey thing charging. It's got like, I don't know, 100 amps or whatever they're called, which were good for enough to get you going. Disappointed in this. I was so excited. We actually have a big solar panel to charge. Actually, we can charge any of these, connect and sit out in the sun. A giant version of these with no battery attached. This worked awesome when it worked. It just had no shelf life. If I can find a good bargain, I'll get me another version, a real one, not that brand. Costco's got one with a, I believe it's a car battery inside, that for about $100. It's a lot heavier than this, but you can jump start your car. You can actually run things off of it, like fans and stuff. This you can't. So anyway, yeah. I hope you got a charge out of this video, and just be lucky I didn't charge you for the privilege. And thanks for watching, and have a great day and a great apocalypse. We'll see you next time. Bye!